Welcome back to Quiz Factory. How many car brand logos do you know? In today's video, we'll guess the 50 famous car brand logos. You have 7 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Here's the first question. Exactly, it's Audi. Question 2. Ford. Question 3. Of course, it's Cadillac. Question 4. Can you tell me this car brand's name? Awesome, it's Subaru. Question 5. Good job, it's Toyota. Question 6. Correct, it's Smart. Question 7. What can this be? So good, that's Skoda. Question 8. Great, it's SsangYong. Question 9. You guessed it, that's Lexus. Question 10. What do you think? It's so amazing, that's Alfa Romeo. Question 11. Alfa Romeo versus Lexus. Which car brand's more luxurious? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Question 12. The answer's Lotus. Question 13. It's so amazing, that's Opel. Next question. It's Acura. Question 15. Right, it's Land Rover. Question 16. Did you say BMW for this? You were right. Question 17. The answer for this point is Mini. Question 18. Honda. Question 19. Can you guess this one? It's Navistar. Question 20. The answer's Buick. Question 21. Correct, it's Nissan. Question 22. Which car brand do you like more, Buick or Nissan? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Question 23. Of course, it's Karma. Question 24. Guess the car brand logo. Yup, it's Chrysler. Question 25. It's Aston Martin. Question 26. Exactly, that's Renault. Question 27. You guessed it, that's Dacia. Question 28. Awesome, it's Citroën. Question 29. Can you guess it? It's Daihatsu. Question 30. The correct answer is Fiat. Question 31. Seat. Question 32. Very good, it's Tesla. Question 33. What type of car is Tesla producing? Bingo, the correct answer is A. Question 34. This is too easy. It's Eicher. Question 35. It's Hyundai. Question 36. Very good, it's Volvo. Question 37. Correct, it's Mitsubishi. Question 38. You're doing perfectly, keep going. KTM. Question 39. It's so amazing, that's Volkswagen. Question 40. It's Mazda. Question 41. Which car brand logo comes to your mind? Hennessy. Question 42. The correct answer is Ferrari. Question 43. Great, it's Geo. Question 44. Do you know what car brand logo this is? Chevrolet. Question 45. Suzuki. Question 46. Daewoo. Moving on to the next one. Think fast. Porsche. Question 48. Great, it's Bentley. Question 49. Peugeot. Question 50. Which logo is this? Dodge. Question 51. Maserati. Question 52. Lamborghini. Question 53. Which car brand logo is this? Exactly, that's Jaguar. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun and interesting quizzes. See you in the next videos.